shoot in the third. Doubler all the way to the hole. Leaves it out. Chan for three. Over to Alabag. He pulls up for a three. Foul in the process. Punches it through.
What he just wants to let you know is that in his mind and in his heart also, he's there cheering for you, wanting you to win, and hoping that you will succeed in this big challenge that you will face ahead.
Sa panibagong paglusob ng ating national team sa FIBA Asia Championships, muling aago sa alaala ng ating bansa mga nakaraang pagkabigo ng mga dating national teams.
Like every national players before, no, we want to achieve much higher award. Like yung gold na laging pinapangarap ng Pilipinas, no, na hindi namin na-achieve.
The end to that game, losing to South Korea, you know, we don't advance, and we come so close, and it hurts.
In '98, we won the bronze, and in 2002 in Korea, we were a win short of making the finals.
Oh, kasi kahit nandun naman kami sa grupo ng malalakas, talagang lumaban din naman kami.
It's hard to take in. Pero syempre, you know, it goes on. There's always another game.
Kung babalikan mo, parang thankful ka pa rin and blessed na naging part ka nung group na yon.
Maski ang ilan sa mga kasalukuyang miyembro ng Gilas ay nakakaalala pa ng hapdi ng pagkabigo sa nakaraang mga laban.
And those last two experiences, 07 and 09, was tough because we didn't live up to expectations. You know, it felt like we let a lot of people down, including ourselves, our coaches, and
at the same time, nakita ko paano umiyak talaga yung buong team nung natalo tayo. Kasi alam natin talaga na kayang-kaya nating makapasok hanggang sa finals.
So that's something that I'm bringing with me to this experience. I don't want that to happen again.
That's it. Good passes, good passes. Work on those passes. Galaw mo yung paa mo. Galaw mo na kagad.
Pero kung meron pang isang mas gigil pang bumawi para sa bayan, ito ay ang dating 2007 national team coach na si Chot Reyes.
Siyempre, you know, all coaches get really emotional dahil, you know, sometimes, siyempre, pag natatalo, all the pressure goes to him.
I think he knew, and this is something we talk a lot about, I think a lot of coaches talk about it, is that you control the things you can control, and there are certain things out of your control that you've kind of got to let go and go through. And in 2007, a lot of things happened that were out of his control.
I got a lot of heat from media and from a lot of quarters when we didn't qualify in 2007. And, you know, I think in the end, that's the biggest sacrifice.
There's not a better teacher than experience. And like I said, right now, Chot is the most experienced international coach we have.
The real sacrifice of coaching or playing in the national team is putting yourself on the line.
And you know, talking to Chot and listening to Chot, I think he's handling it really well. He's been there a number of times, and so he's had that experience, and so that stress he's been able to handle. And I think that's going to be a real key coming in here playing against the home crowd.
My motivation is very pure and simple. I want to do my part for my country. And I think by putting the best team together and fighting for the country in FIBA Asia, I think that is my contribution to my country. And that is my main motivation.
Sa panibagong pagkakataon, inaasa magpupursigi ang Gilas para muling iangat ang ating bansa para sa isang podium finish at muling pagbalik sa FIBA World Championship sa Espanya sa susunod na taon.
I was very proud of Gilas won.
Very competitive yung journey namin para sa London Olympics noon.
But anyway, you know, the best result in 24 years, you know, it's not so bad. But, you know, I'm so disappointed that we didn't get the medal and don't go to the next level, next step. That was the qualification for the Olympic Games.
Malaking pagsubok ang magaganap na digmaan sa ating home court. Bugso na mas naglalakihan at mas subok ng mga kupunan.
You know, China is always going to be a horrible matchup. I mean, they're tall, they're long, and they're quick.
Iran is looking also better because Hamed Haladi is very motivated. He's out of the contract. He's very motivated to play, to show himself.
You know, if you're looking at winning it and getting that gold medal and advancing to the world championship, it's going to be a tough load, no doubt about it. But getting that top 3, I think it's really a strong possibility.
Pero kung meron ng handang magsugal sa digmaan, yan ay sina Coach Chot at ang Gilas Pilipinas.
Sa totoo lang, napakahirap ng hinaharap nating trabaho sa August 1. Pero magpapakamatay itong team na to para sa bayang Pilipinas.
You know, I've had my chances on previous teams and we've come up short. And in a way, felt like we let the country down. So this is my opportunity once again to, you know, redeem myself.
Malaking responsibilidad na suot ko itong Pilipinas jersey. Nararamdaman ko yung suporta ng buong bansa and yung pangarap ng buong bansa, feeling ko nasa balikat naming lahat.
Gusto kong manalo, umabot ng finals. Kasi yun yung main goal namin hindi yung pan-number 3.
And I really want to do my best to help our team and to help our country get back to the top of Asian basketball.
Maganda ang oportunidad natin ngayon na muling umangat sa harap ng nanonood na mundo. Totoong magiging malaking pagsubok ang magaganap na laban ng ating Gilas Pilipinas. Pero tulad ng tunay na sundalo, laban kung laban.
I think it's best we remember where we came from. Ako si Chot Reyes from Quezon City, Tubong, Malolos, Bulacan. Malaban ako para sa Pilipinas.
I am Marcus Dalthus from New York and I play for the Philippines.
Ako si Jeff Chan, taga Bacolod, naglalaro para sa Pilipinas.
Ako si Bo Belga, taga Bicol, naglalaro para sa Pilipinas.
Ako si Larry Punasher, taga Quezon City, naglalaro para sa Pilipinas.
Gabe Norwood from Pennsylvania, and I play for the Philippines.
Greg Slaughter from Fredericksburg, Virginia, and I play for the Philippines. Junmar Pajardo from Cebu, naglalaro para sa Pilipinas.
Ako si Gar David, Tubong Dinalupian, Bataan, naglalaro para sa Pilipinas.
Ako si Rani Del De Ocampo, taga Hulugan, Tansa, Cavite, lumalaban para sa Pilipinas.
Ako si Japet Aguilar, taga Sasmuan, Pampanga, at naglalaro ako para sa Pilipinas.
Ako si Mark Pingris, Batang Pusirubi, Pangasinan, naglalaro para sa Pilipinas.
Ako si Jason Castro, taga Pampanga, naglalaro para sa Pilipinas.
Ako si L.A. Tenorio, taga Nasugbu, Batangas, lumalaban para sa Pilipinas.
Ako si Jamiel Apag from California, and I play for the Philippines.
Remember who we're playing for, gentlemen. Laban Pilipinas! Puso!
Bago-baguhin niyo man ang mga tao sa ating pambansang kupunan. Bago-baguhin man ang pangyayari palabas. Lahat kami nandito. Kasama niyong mag-aangas na mangarap at lalaban hanggang sa huli. Ako po si Freddy Webb, taga Parañaque. Buong pusong naniniwala, kasama ng sambayanang Pilipino sa ating kupunan. Gilas, Pilipinas. Laban, Pilipinas. Puso.
Ako si Jen Hamandi, taga Parañaque, isang travel agent. Saludo sa Team Pilipinas. Laban Pilipinas, puso.
Ako si Manny Kauntay, taga Batangas. Ang trabaho ko ay isang negosyante at sumusuporta, naniniwala at sumasaludo sa Gilas Pilipinas. Kaya niyo yan, laban Pilipinas, puso!
Ako si Marcia Pascual, taga Malabon City, Sales and Marketing of Food Business.
sumusuporta sa Gilas Pilipinas. Laban Pilipinas, puso!
Kami ang mga estudyante ng Manila Tetana Colleges. Naniniwala kami sa Gilas Pilipinas. Laban Pilipinas, puso!
Ako si Visitación Gabelo, isang tindera sa Lodo sa Gilas ng Pilipinas.
Go Gilas! Laban Pilipinas!
Ako si Manny Pangilinan, naniniwala at sumusuporta sa ating team, Gilas Pilipinas, Laban Pilipinas, puso.